we're going to do it. There are a whole lot of fellas out there today. See a lot of fellas. But among some of you fellas, there are some ladies. Here's what we're going to do. We have constructed a large microwave at the Sears Tower. And after the show, we're going to take some of you ladies. We're going to push you inside that microwave. We're going to transport you 30 years into the future. When you get there, when you get to the future, you're going to be in Crawford, Texas at the Presidential Ranch. When you get there, you're going to find Bush 30 years in the future. Bush is going to be 91 years old. He's being his presidential iron lung. You ladies, when you get there, you gonna ride that president. You gonna ride that president. You gonna ride that president. Y'all gonna ride that president. Y'all gonna ride that. When you get there, that president's gonna fire his final presidential shot. In the war on terror. Indian ladies. And you will be impregnated with the next President Bush. 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 And that is grassroots politics, electric six style. So to summarize, we have constructed a large microwave at the Sears Tower. We're going to push some of you ladies into that microwave. We're going to transport you 30 years into the future. When you get there, you're going to see Bush. He's going to ride that president. President's going to fire his last presidential shot into one of you ladies. And you will give birth to the next President Bush. And so it goes. And so it goes.